A semiconductor quality engineer is pivotal in ensuring that semiconductor devices, integral components in almost all modern electronic devices, are high quality and reliable. As the electronics industry continues to push the boundaries of miniaturization and performance, the margin for error becomes even narrower, making the quality engineer's job both challenging and indispensable. One of the primary responsibilities of a semiconductor quality engineer is product and process validation. It involves collaborating with product development teams to define quality criteria for new products, overseeing reliability studies to ensure new products meet these criteria, reviewing manufacturing requirements to guarantee they produce consistent and high-quality outcomes. Failure analysis and continuous improvement is also an essential part of quality engineering. It requires conducting failure analysis to determine the root cause of defects or failures in the field, collaborating with research and development, design, and manufacturing teams to implement corrective actions, and leading continuous improvement initiatives by identifying areas of inefficiency or potential failure and proactively addressing them, and utilizing tools such as fault tree analysis or failure modes and effects analysis to identify and manage possible points of failure preemptively. Adhering to quality standards is also the most critical part of quality engineering in semiconductor product development. A quality engineer must be well versed in various industry standards related to semiconductor quality and reliability. These may include JEDEC standards, ISO 9001, automotive standards like AEC, Q100/101, and several other industry standards per the application. These standards ensure that semiconductor products meet the stringent demands of various sectors and applications. A quality engineer also often acts as a bridge between the company and external entities to address customer complaints and concerns regarding product quality and take corrective actions when necessary. Quality engineers also collaborate with suppliers to ensure the quality of raw materials and components and conduct audits of both internal processes and external suppliers to ensure compliance with quality standards and requirements. In summary, a semiconductor quality engineer holds the weighty responsibility of ensuring that the microscale marvels powering our world are both efficient and reliable, and their role involves a complex interplay of technical expertise, collaboration, and adherence to standards.